Walkaround. "19-inch wheels. This is pearl white. Looks really good on the sun. This one has light gray interior. That is leather as well. Panoramic sunroof. Plenty of space in the back here. The seat is all the way back and it goes back pretty far. AC vents, USB-C, USB-A. And here we have first aid kit, floor mats, seat back protector, and this one also has the divide and hide. If you have your groceries or anything like that, you can put it like that and it won't slide around. You can also lower it and put it all the way down on the bottom, so you have a little extra space. This one does the same thing. You can lock it or close it from here. Since they don't have that shifter here, they actually freed up some space in here, so I don't know how well you can see, but there's some space down here. Some storage space here as well. Electronic parking brake, and then here you can switch your modes: off-road, snow, auto, eco, and sport. It does have auto hold, so if you engage it, take your foot off the brake, you will hold the vehicle until you push the accelerator. Blind spot detectors, emergency braking for the front and rear, all standard. Really smooth ride. This one does have the heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual AC, so you can control the temperature on both sides. Since this is SL, it does have the 360 camera, so you can actually see the right side, the front. You can toggle between the cameras, just the front, and obviously if you put it in reverse, you'll see the back and the 360 camera. Panoramic sunroof. The front part opens, the back is just the glass. This also has memory seats. So in 2022, Rogue actually switched to a 3-cylinder turbo. It puts out about 201 horses. It used to be about 180 with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, and now it's about 201. It's powered through a CVT transmission. Rogue does have the Pro Pilot Assist. Is basically your intelligent cruise control with steering assist. So it will slow down or speed up depending on what distance you have it set, and it will help you stay in the lane. So like we have a little curve here. I don't have my hands on the steering wheel. This is hands-on feature, so it will tell you to put your hands back on the steering wheel, but for a very short period of time it will drive itself. As you can see, it's giving us a warning to put hands back on the steering wheel, and if you don't, it actually is gonna give you a little break, and after that, if you don't do anything, it actually will start decelerating. Let's exit here.